How to log into your First Horizon bank account online. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily log into your First Horizon online bank account. So first thing, just head over to any of your favorite browser and simply search in for First Horizon bank login and just tap on the first link which appears over here. So which is the official website of First Horizon Bank, and it will automatically take you to the login page of the screen where you just simply have to enter your user ID, that is your registered ID, and enter your password. Make sure all of the details you enter are correct. And if you ever forget your user ID, you can just tap on this given link over here, that is forget user ID or password, to successfully reset them. And once you have successfully set it up with the login credentials, just tap on login button to successfully log into your First Horizon account online. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.